German and Polish cuisines are renowned for their rich, comforting desserts, many of which have become staples at Christmas and other celebrations. Both countries share a love of spiced, nutty, and fruit-filled sweets, reflecting their shared history and regional variations. One of Germany's most iconic desserts, Stollen, is a rich, fruit-filled bread traditionally associated with Christmas. Originating in Dresden, this dense loaf is packed with dried fruits, nuts, candied citrus peel, and sometimes marzipan. Flavored with warming spices like cinnamon and cardamom, it's dusted generously with powdered sugar, giving it a snowy appearance. Stollen has been a German holiday tradition since the 15th century and symbolizes abundance and celebration. Germany's famous Black Forest cake is a decadent dessert layered with chocolate sponge cake, whipped cream, and cherries soaked in kirsch, a cherry brandy. Named after the Black Forest region, this cake is as visually stunning as it is delicious. Its blend of rich chocolate, tart cherries, and creamy textures makes it a favorite at weddings, birthdays, and holidays. Poland's beloved paczki, pronounced pączki, are round, deep-fried donuts often filled with jam, custard, or sweetened cream. Traditionally enjoyed on Fat Thursday, the last Thursday before Lent, these indulgent treats are made with a rich dough that's flavored with a hint of rum or citrus zest. Though they're a pre-Lenten specialty, their irresistible sweetness makes them popular year-round. A spiced gingerbread cake, piernik, is a classic Polish dessert often served during Christmas. This moist, honey-sweetened treat is infused with spices like cloves, cinnamon, and nutmeg. It's typically baked in loaf form, sometimes filled with plum jam or layered with chocolate glaze. Piernik dates back to the Middle Ages and is an enduring symbol of Polish culinary heritage. Known as the tree cake, Baumkuchen is a German masterpiece created by layering batter on a rotating spit, resulting in a cake with rings that resemble tree growth rings. Traditionally served at weddings and holidays, this intricate dessert requires skill and patience to prepare. The finished cake is often glazed with chocolate or dusted with sugar, making it both a culinary and visual delight. A traditional Polish poppy seed roll, makowiak features a sweet yeast dough rolled around a rich filling of ground poppy seeds, honey, nuts, and dried fruits. It's a staple on Polish Christmas tables, symbolizing wealth and prosperity in Polish folklore. From the spiced sweetness of piernik to the buttery layers of Baumkuchen, these desserts highlight the rich cultural traditions of Germany and Poland. Whether served at Christmas or enjoyed year-round, they bring warmth and history to every table. Frohe Weihnachten!